Hello everyone, welcome to Escort Education. In this video, we will discuss class 6th science lesson sorting materials into groups. We will discuss meaning of sorting and sorting of material on the basis of some of their properties. Let us discuss first of all meaning of sorting. Sorting means making group of objects on the basis of certain property which is common to two or more objects. This property may be shape of object, size of object, or any other property. Look at these pictures. These are four pictures. We will try to sort them on the basis of their shape and size. Let us first try to sort them on the basis of their size. In first group, we will keep the smaller objects, and in the second group, we will keep the larger objects. So picture 1 and picture 2 are small in size, so we will take or put them in group 1. And picture 3 and 4 are larger in size, so we will keep them in second group. So on the basis of size, we made two groups of these four objects. Similarly, if we try to sort them on the basis of their shape, then the first group will have those objects which have the shape like a circle, and in the second group we will keep those objects which have the shape of a square. So object 1 and 3 are of circular shape, so we will keep them in group 1, and object 2 and 4 are in group 2 because they are of a square shape. So also on the basis of shape, we have made two different groups of these four objects. Let us now try to understand sorting in detail on the basis of some property of materials. We will discuss four properties here. First is appearance, second is hardness, third is solubility, and fourth is visibility. First, appearance. Appearance means how the outer surface of material look like. On the basis of this property, materials are of two types, lustrous and non-lustrous. Lustrous are those materials that have shiny outer surface. For example, iron and aluminium. This is a freshly cut piece of iron, and these are objects made from aluminium. Are these shiny? Yes. So these are lustrous. Second are non-lustrous, those materials that have non-shiny outer surface, or we can say they have dull surface. Examples are wood and coal. Look at this picture. Are these look shiny? No. So these are no shiny. So these are dull. If these are dull, then we can say that these are non-lustrous materials. In this way, you can find that a material is lustrous or non-lustrous. Let us now discuss second property of material, that is hardness. You surely know the meaning of word hard, which means that is not compressible. On the basis of this property, materials are also classified in two ways, or materials are also of two types. First are hard and second is soft. Hard materials are those materials which are difficult to compress, or if we try to compress them, their shape and size will not change so much. Examples are iron and aluminium. If we try to compress a piece of iron with our hand, will its shape or size change? No. Same is for aluminium. If we try to compress the piece of aluminium with our hand, its shape and size will not change. So these are hard materials. Second are soft. The materials which are easy to compress means if we apply force on them even with our hand, they will change their shape and size. Example are sponge and cotton. If we try to compress them with our hand, they will change their shape or size. So these are soft materials. Let us now discuss third property, which is solubility. On the basis of this property, materials are of two types, soluble and insoluble. To understand this property, we will take the help of water, or we will check this property of material with the help of water. We will try to mix the material in water. If the material after mixing with water disappear completely from water, that are called soluble materials. Examples are sugar and salt. If we mix a spoon of sugar in a glass of water and stir it continuously, it will completely disappear from the water. Same thing is for salt. So these are soluble materials, or we can say these materials are soluble in water. Second are insoluble materials. Those materials which do not mix with water, or when they mix it with water, they do not disappear completely. Examples are sand and chalk powder. If we try to mix the chalk powder with water, then we can see here clearly that chalk powder is clearly visible inside the glass, means it is not mixed properly. So we can say those materials that are not mixed in water completely, or that do not disappear after mixed in water, are called soluble materials. Let us now know about fourth property, which is visibility. Visibility here mean, can we look on other side of material or not? We can take the help of our eye to check this property of material. According to this property, or on the basis of this property, materials are of three types. First are transparent materials, second are opaque materials, and third are translucent materials. Transparent materials are those through which things can be seen clearly. Examples are glass. Look at this sheet of glass. We can clearly see this text through the sheet of glass. This is as clearly visible as it is directly visible. So we can say that this sheet of glass is a transparent material. Similarly, air is also transparent because we can see clearly through the air. Second are opaque materials. Those materials through which we cannot see anything are called opaque materials. Examples are wood and cardboard. Look at this text. If this text goes on the other side of wood, can we see it? No. Similarly, look at this text. Can we see this text when it is on the other side of cardboard? No. we cannot even see anything on the other side of these materials. So these materials are opaque materials. Third are translucent materials. Those materials through which we can see but not clear are called translucent materials. Examples are a piece of paper with an oil patch on it and trace paper. Look at this text. It is visible through trace paper but not as clearly as it is visible directly. So this material is called translucent material. We can say in the similar manner through the oil patch on a sheet of paper. So these are translucent materials. Let us now recap what we have discussed in this video. We have discussed meaning of sorting, then sorting of material on the basis of some of their properties, and we have discussed 4 properties. First was appearance, second hardness, third solubility, and fourth visibility. Hope you understand it. Thanks for watching this video.